Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about 2-point perspective. I have recently made a video about 1-point perspective. If you have not watched that, I would recommend you watch that first to better understand 2-point perspective. Now, let us begin. Like with 1-point perspective, let's first begin with eye line, and then we are going to choose 2 points instead of one vanishing point. 1 point and second vanishing point. Now I am going to draw a vertical line which is going to describe the height of our object. Now I am going to take lines from the first vanishing point and connecting it to the bottom and the top of the vertical line, and also same for the second vanishing point. After doing that, I need to draw another vertical line to describe the width of this box. Let's say I'm going to draw it here. Now doing same, from this top I'm going to draw a line to the second vanishing point, and also for the bottom. Now here I'm going to draw another vertical line to describe the width from here. Now I'm going to connect this point to the first vanishing point, and also going to draw a line from bottom of this vertical line to the first vanishing point. Now let's say you want to draw a box above you with the same eye level. To do that, we need to establish a height that can't go below the eye level, and then same procedure as before, we are going to connect it to the first vanishing point, and to the second vanishing point, now we need to establish the width, connect it to the vanishing point, and again from here do the same. Okay, now let's say we want to draw a box that's below us. It's the same procedure, but all you need to remember is when we establish the height of the box, it can't go above this line. Okay, so connect it. Same from this side. Now we are going to establish the width again from here, and also from here, connecting these lines to its corresponding vanishing point. And that's it. Hope you like the video and find it helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.